Most people buy microSD cards the wrong way, and that's why their camera randomly stops recording. They think storage size is the most important thing. 512 GB, 1 TB sounds great, right? But storage doesn't matter if the card can't keep up with the data speed. For 4K video, the real requirement is sustained write speed, not peak speed. That's where most cheap cards fail. If your recordings stop, files get corrupted, or the camera overheats and shuts down, the card is usually the problem, not the camera. What you actually need to look for is V30 and U3. These ratings mean the card can handle continuous 4K recording without dropping frames. A reliable card that meets these requirements is the SanDisk Extreme Pro. It's widely used in action cameras, mirrorless cameras, and drones because it delivers stable performance during long recordings. It's not the cheapest option, but it's reliable. And reliability is what matters when you're recording important footage. If you want a microSD card that actually works for 4K, I've left a link in the description. Amazon. Prices can change quickly, so don't rely on outdated info.